In this video, I'll be showing you 6 methods you can use to get more views, more subscribers on YouTube and make more money from your YouTube channel. Without wasting your time, let's get into it. The first method is you are going to optimize your video very well. And what I mean by optimization is you are going to be adding all the details that are necessary for the algorithm to be able to show your video to people that need it, because your channel is not for everybody. It's for just specific group of people. The YouTube algorithm want to know who that video is for. What is in the description of your video, the tag, the title, the thumbnail will determine who the algorithm will show the video to. Because if the algorithm does not know who the video is for, then he won't be able to show it to anybody. That is the first reason why you need to optimize your video. You need to add all those details. And the good part is that you can use ChatGPT to create your description, your video tag, your hashtag, even your thumbnail. And you can use your Canva to design your thumbnail with ease. So the first step is make sure your video is well optimized so that the algorithm will know who to show your video to. The second thing you need to do is you need to niche down on a specific area. And what I mean by niche down is be specific at the solution you are providing. Don't mix it up. Okay, if for example you want to focus on sports, then everything you are doing on that channel should be about sports. If you want to focus on security, everything you are doing on that particular channel should be on security. If you want to focus on business, whatever that is going on that channel should be on business. The mistake we made in the past when we started our own YouTube channel was we model things together. We're discussing about, sometimes we can discuss about business, Facebook advertisement, affiliate marketing, everything just mix up like that. And that is why our channel could not grow as fast as it's supposed to be. Okay, so you are going to niche down very well and make sure you stay focused to that particular niche and don't dabble into other niches on that same channel. If you are interested in other channel, all you need to do is to create another YouTube channel, and it is very easy to create another YouTube channel. If you want me to create a video on how to create a new YouTube channel, I will show you how to go about that. You can have as many as possible, so far you have the strength to maintain them. Okay, so let's go to the next thing you need to do to make sure you have enough views, subscribers, and make more money from your YouTube channel. The third thing is don't mix long form videos with short form videos. Now, originally YouTube was designed for long form video, and that is videos that are up to 8 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes and above. But when TikTok came and they saw that TikTok was taking a lot of their customers or their users, they now decided to have a short form video. But the disadvantage of having short video and long video on the same channel is that some people are not naturally interested in long form video. So if you mix them up on the same channel, you will be getting a lot of views from your short form videos. But the day you now create a long form video, you will see that those people that were interested in the short form videos will no longer be interested in the long form video, because there is a way people are wired, and since they are not interested in the long form video, they will not watch it. And because they don't watch it, the algorithm will now see that it's like these people are not interested in this video, so they will not show it to more people. That is the disadvantage of having long form video and short form video on the same channel. So the hack to it is you can create two channels on the same topic, one for long video, the second one for short video. The short video will be growing on its own, while the long video will be growing on its own. You can advertise your long video on the short form and the short form on the long video, but don't mix them together on the same channel so that it will not hurt your growth. The fourth method you can use to grow your channel fast is stay consistent with your upload. What is the interval between your upload? How many days will it take for you to upload another video? If you are not consistent, let's say you upload a video today, your followers like it and they enjoy watching the video. Some people, you can even subscribe to your channel, and then for the next 1 week you did not upload any video. Of course, those people need to be satisfied. They need to be fed on that particular topic, and since you are not uploading, they are going to look for another people that are on the same niche. And the day you are going to wake up and upload video, those people are no longer there to watch your video, and that is going to hurt your channel. So make sure you stay consistent and be uploading video on a regular basis. If you can upload it every day, fine. If you can't upload it every day, at least upload once in a week, so that they will not forget your channel. Because if you upload today, they watch the video and they enjoy it, they will be looking forward to when you are going to upload the next one. So when you upload the next one, they watch it, they are looking forward to the next one. So stay consistent like that, and before you know it, as they are watching it consistently, initially they will not subscribe yet. You graduate from viewers to subscribers. They will first watch the video first. It is when they enjoy watching the video before they now subscribe. So as they subscribe, as the algorithm is seeing that people are watching your video, they will be recommending it to more people. So that is how it works. So ensure that you are consistent with your upload. Don't be like NEPA on, NEPA off. The fifth method you are going to use to grow your YouTube channel fast is your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is simply the image that show what is the content of the video. Most of the videos that we watch, including me and you that we watch, it is as a result of what is on the thumbnail. When you look at the thumbnail, should I watch it or should I go away? The thumbnail has a way of attracting you because of what you have seen on the thumbnail. You want to know what is in the video. What is it? How did this end? So make sure you have a good thumbnail that expresses what is in the video, and there is a way you can design your thumbnail that will make people to click on it. But don't deceive people with your thumbnail. Make sure it is what is in the video that you have indicated on the thumbnail, because if you deceive them with, there's what is called clickbait. If you deceive them to watch the video, by the time they watch the video and they feel deceived, it is not what is in the thumbnail that they finally see in the video. Yes, you have deceived them to watch the video, but they are not going to subscribe to your channel, and the next time they see your video, they are going to skip. They will see you as a deceiver. So don't deceive them with your thumbnail. Make sure you are reliable, you are transparent with your thumbnail. Deliver exactly what you promise in the thumbnail, and you see that your channel will be growing very, very fast. The sixth method you can use to grow your YouTube channel very fast is when you are starting, don't add links to your description. The reason is YouTube is a business. They don't want you to direct their users to another platform, so they want you to keep users on the same platform. By the time you add links to your description, they will see that you are directing users to another platform, and that means they are going to limit the way they are going to show your video to more people. So ensure you don't add link. You are going to add link when you have grown your channel to some levels. When you have grown it to some level, you cannot start adding links. The seventh method, which is going to be a bonus in this case, is when you are starting, I usually see people begging people to subscribe to their channel. This is very, very wrong. When you are starting a channel, don't beg anybody to subscribe to your channel, because when somebody subscribes to your channel because you begged him, he is not going to be watching your video. He only subscribed to make you happy. I can remember me and one lady, we met in one shop, and she asked me to subscribe to her channel. She was into sports. Just to make her happy, I subscribed to her channel, and up till now I don't think I've watched any of her videos because I'm not interested. Okay, so when you beg people to subscribe to your channel, you are hurting your channel, because they can subscribe and they will not watch the videos, and if they don't watch your videos, your channel will not grow. And the worst part of it is that when you upload a video, YouTube will first show it to your subscribers, and when your subscribers do not watch it to a good length, the algorithm will now think that this video is of inferior quality. The algorithm will see it as the video is not good enough to show it to their users, so it is going to hurt your channel. Okay, so have it at the back of your mind that when you upload a video, the algorithm will first show it to your subscribers. It is when your subscriber watch it very well before they can now show it to more people. Okay, so be very careful about the kind of subscribers you are having at the beginning of your channel. When you have grown it to some extent, you cannot be, if you want to have anyhow subscribers, then at that point you can start having anyhow subscribers. But at the beginning, make sure the subscribers you are having are high quality subscribers, people that really want what you are giving out. Okay, I hope you have learned something from this video. So make sure you do what I've just listed now, and I'm sure you are going to be making a lot of money from YouTube. See you in the next video. Bye.